Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to write an inner join statement using the using clause syntax. Here we have three practices. Write a query to display the department name, city, address, country name. So department name from table department, city, the address or street address from table locations, country name from table countries. So here we have to join three tables together. Select department underscore name. We want also the city, we want also the street address, we want also the country underscore name from table departments, and we can join table departments to table locations using, in this case, column location underscore ID. The common data between departments table and locations table stored in the location underscore column. Then join to table countries using country ID. So the common data between locations table and countries table is the country ID. Once finished, run the select statement. So here we go. We have here 27 records. This is the department name, this is the city, this is the street address, and this is the country name. This practice is the same practice that we solved using natural join syntax. In the second practice here, write a query to display the employee last name, department ID, job title for all employees working in departments number 10, 90, and 20. So we can write select last underscore name, department underscore ID, job underscore ID, and job underscore title from table employees, join table jobs, the job title stored in table jobs, last name, department ID, and job ID can be retrieved from table employees using, in this case, job ID. Job ID is the column that stores the common data between employees table and jobs table. And here we want to filter the output. We can use where, for example, or you can use and instead of where department underscore ID in 10, 20, and 90. Once finished, run the select statement, and here we go. This is the last name of the employee, this is department ID 10, this is the job ID, and this is the job title. The last practice here, write a query to display the country ID, country name, region name for all countries. Country ID, country name can be retrieved from the countries table, region name from the regions table. So if you go here to regions, we have region underscore ID and we have region underscore name. Region underscore ID is a primary key in regions table, and region ID in countries table here is a foreign key in table countries that is reference the region ID in table regions. So the region ID is the column that stores the common data between two tables. So we can write our select statement, select country underscore ID, country underscore name, region underscore name from table countries, join regions using region underscore ID. Run the select statement, and here we go. This is the country ID, this is the country name, and this is the region ID. So in this practice we learn how to write an inner join statement using the using clause syntax. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.